Though it is basically as the title says, I am actually gonna be putting a new shift knob on this car. So, I got the Black Forest Industries GS, and this basically is the weighted shift knob, but it's for DSG and automatic. So, from what I have seen, it takes the reverse lockout, which is this button, so you can't just move it without it being, well, first of all, on. You actually have to lift up. So there's a lot of ones that I've seen aftermarket that is push down, pull back. This one you have to lift up and pull back. What is cool about this is that, yes, you pay a premium, but you get a really good system, and you can actually replace, I think it's a general thread pitch, so you can change it to any shift knob you want. Alright, first things first, let's unbox this. Super nice packaging. Ooh, there's some nice foam. Ooh, yeah, I went with the all black shift knob. It's nice, like I think it's billet aluminum. There's some more nice foam, and I think that's kind of it. You got the adapter for the automatic transmission and black BFI logo and zip ties. That's it. I do like the quality of this. It's very smooth. It has some good weight to it, but yeah, it's overall, I would say a very quality product. It should look pretty clean. Ideally, you need some, like, I think bolt cutters. I don't think I have anything like that. BFI? The original. Okay, let me tell you why I want to switch out this entirety. Because notice here that it's leather. Yes, you can replace it to carbon and everything, but this leather piece, it just keeps getting scratched up, and I really just don't like it. Also, I'm a little more fan of like a simple knob. So that in general, this just looks a little, I think this is a little cleaner. Also, yeah, again, I don't like scratching this by accident. I know it's a little it's whatever, but honestly, this just annoys me after a while. Also, it feels bad after a while because you know your hand oils and everything. So, aluminum. I think it's a good idea. So, again, before you install anything, get yourself the Allen key and thread locker. I think from the instructions said to make sure you apply thread locker to every single bolt. Just purple, so it doesn't lock. Don't get blue. Don't get red, because those are gonna lock it in real tight. This is just for very light screws, purple. You really don't want this to loosen on you, because you know you don't want to keep taking off your shifter boot. So take the time to really put some thread locker on all these. Oh shoot, that's a lot. Super easy install. Take this side down, and you want to make sure that this is the reverse locking switch. There's a pin right here. You put it up. You make sure the reverse locker is right there. Take your number 2 Allen key and just screw it all the way through, and then it should lock out. It should screw into the other thread on the back side. Bam. Super easy. And once this is good, lock down. So right here, there's actually a ring right here. So behind this metal piece is a ring right there. You want to have these thread into that ring, and basically that's gonna lock this in place while this can move up and down. So we'll see. Yeah, I'll show you. This shouldn't move too much. You just make sure you don't want this middle part to shift, because that's where your anchor point is, right? So don't forget to plug this back in, because that's your lighting. You just gotta love. Oh, it came with an Allen key. Damn it. Well, if you're missing this allocator number 2. Anyways, you gotta love products that are built just for your car, cause like it just fits so perfectly. Like damn, dude. If you're like me, you always mess up. So this is a little loose. I should have went a little over just to make sure this is a little tighter when it looks. So next time when you do it, make sure you kind of like take a test look before you just zip tie it on. I'm gonna clip this off and use my own zip tie, so let's do that. Make sure you tighten the screws down and twist it around, make sure it's all good. Alright, so there we go. Shift boot on. Last thing. Section's all centered. Bam. Ooh boy. I really wanted to test drive the car with the new shift knob before I ended the video. So the Black Forest Industry shift knob, it is really clean. In my opinion, it is super duper clean. Oh boy. There we go. Ooh, look at that. It just, I don't know, it just fits the interior a lot better. But I think the one thing, which everyone's kind of, the general idea, the problem here is this. Let's see. The reverse lockout being so yeah, it's a little, it's kind of like how a 6-speed is, you know, just you have the lift up and pull back out of the reverse. If you're in park, you cannot pull it out, you have to pull it up, go in reverse, and then you can just easily do that. Just look at that. It's just hella clean. Let me see if we can get a better shot from over here. And look at that. It's just really, really clean. And I think as a whole, it's good. But I don't know, you could be better than that. In my opinion, it's worth it because how many times do you actually just go into drive? It's one pull. It's not like you're shifting 10 gears the whole time. Plus, if you're going to automatic mode, you can up, down, not a big deal. Or you can use the paddle shifters. It's really preference. I'm okay just doing this once or twice when I start the drive and end the drive, put it into park in reverse. Maybe you'll do it 4 times because you either go into reverse to park or something. But besides the point, I really do like this Black Forest Industry shift knob. It is online. I got it at their website, so I don't know where else you can buy it, but I have for sure at blackforestindustry.com they do sell the BFI, was it GS? It's a GS aluminum shift knob. I gotta look at it again, but how can you hate this? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want more content like this, or travel stuff, or food stuff. But the travel stuff's gonna be on hold because of certain things right now. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!